welcome to my channel. My name is Sylvia and my channel's all about art and craft. Now, yesterday's video, if you remember, I did this card and we used some embossing powder, the holographic one, on the blue. And it sort of gave me an idea. So I thought, I wonder what sort of effects I can get using the same embossing powder with different colours and different methods. So I played around and I thought I'll show you the outcomes. Now this one here, the embossing powder didn't stick too well, and this is just a plain green colour. However, it does still have some sparkles on it, not many though. So then I thought, okay, let's try doing the green and then using clear embossing ink. So I did that and it gave me this awesome special effect. So hopefully you can actually see all the glittery bits there. I can't because I've got light glaring straight in my face when I'm looking at the camera. So anyway, so then I decided to use gold and put the holographic embossing powder over the top of that. Now although it's not looking gold anymore, it still gave you a really special effect. And then here I used a chocolate colour, and again it's just giving you these really awesome effects, and I do hope you can see it on camera because oh yeah, there it is. So yeah, it kind of gives you really cool effects. So, and as if you remember on the card with the blue ink, it was the same sort of issue, it didn't come up properly. So I did the same again. I used the blue haze colour like we did on the card, plus a clear embossing ink, and created that two-dimensional. And let me see, can I get you? Not sure if you can really see it, but I'm doing my best here. Oh yeah, there. So it still gave you that pretty awesome effect. Now this one here I used a colour called Split Pea, and I thought that came out absolutely gorgeous. And quite frankly, after seeing that, I sort of thought maybe I should have used that on the card. Maybe I should have done this before I did the card. So, and then here I used the sepia, and on this one I used the maroon. So, and honestly, it's amazing how one embossing powder can create all these different effects. You know, it's like, it's amazing. I love it, absolutely love it. But I thought I'd share it with you, so you know that you don't have to like change embossing powders all the time. You can use the same one and you can get different effects depending on which way you do it. So, and unfortunately with this one I didn't ink up my my stamp properly to make it really juicy, so therefore I didn't get as much on this one of the glitter than I did on this one. So, but other than that, I reckon they came out pretty awesome. And it's amazing how the gold actually looks silver now, you know, but yeah. Anyway, I thought I'd share this with you, and I do hope you enjoyed this, and it's sort of given you some ideas on, you know, different things that you can do with your embossing powder, especially the holographic one. I'm kind of in love with that one, but anyway. And yeah, be sure to give us a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel and you haven't already done so, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified for all new videos that are coming up. Now, again, I'm still doing my challenge and I'm still standing on top of it, so sitting on top of it, whatever. Anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. So, bye for now.